I guess I'm live. Let me check. Check it from here. Live. Let me check. Like it from here. Voice is breaking. Let me check. So break. Just a second. Why is my voice is breaking? Hello, hello, hello. Is my voice breaking? Hello, hello, hello. Is my voice breaking? Hello, hello, hello. It's okay, it's okay. That much thing can be managed, I guess. So what I was thinking is to which I completed most of the questions. So we'll start from here and try to complete the thing like just for the revision and all the warm up that did all these on past time like 2 years back. So I got to warm up and used to the CTF challenges. So we'll go with the basic pen testing first. And it's in 0 minute complete, is it? Yeah, we already did this, right? So this is easy, but anyway, we'll just start machine. And we'll try to make note this note because there is like I already did this, so there is no point in making the notes. So the machine will boot up on like 30 seconds. Then we can connect to the Open VPN, and I'll just open Obsidian and go to the external app. So warm up machines, and we'll like have a multiple machine within the same machine, right? So what we can do is like this. So we have it this right here. So these two we can just drop and drag to which machine was that, take over, right? And we'll right click here, make a folder name with warm up machine, and we'll just drag it. There you go. So the first machine we'll do is, what is the name? Basic pen testing. So the basic pen testing. And we have the IP. Let's try to ping it. PowerShell, ping the IP. Yeah, we are eligible. We'll do port scan and this. I think I need to use unprivileged tag. Yeah, we'll use this for a window. I believe mostly the port 80 is open. So just read the IP and the port 80. So it's under maintenance. So let's look at the port scan. Till then we can do is delete the description, right? So we can do like just a hash here, and for this we can give the checklist void content. Let's use. So we have a development, and let's start development. Yeah, we have Dave at something 2018. I've been waiting for this. Pretty cool. Blah blah blah. SMB has been configured. So we have a SMB, and we have a J and K user. So we don't know what is J and K. And we have a J text for J. So you know that like it's for the like horizontal lateral movement, right? So we can actually crack the shadow file he's saying. So we can just make here notes that user J as of now, and like lateral movement we can do with the shadow file crack, and it's saying that he's using some version. I missed that part. What version was that? And it's the rest version of example. Oh, right, I'm using. Okay, we have a version of rest, and we have a Samba Apache. Yeah, I think it's Apache version, not this one. It might be an Apache version. And I think we have a Shamba open. That thing we can know from the port scan. So let's try that. So let's see our port scan. So we'll go. Yeah, we have a Shamba open, and the game user is available there. Okay, fine. So we have SSH port 80, and we have a Shamba. Okay, fine. Copy this. Come here and to like file, and we have a Samba script. What was that? Samba enum shell. Yeah, we'll use one like this. So the port is 4445, right? And the script hyphen script and hyphen unprivileged. Either we can do like this, or it's in script execution failed. So what happened exactly? I think it even found the script. I think I need to give it like this. Maybe just like this. No issues, we'll do manually. For that, we need to boot VMware, not this one. There are a lot of things we can do, like we can run for Linux or as a client. Did we find something else? Dev.txt, we already know that. Still fuzzing. Boot. It's up. So First we'll launch tmux, desktop, and connect to the VPN. Right. After that, we'll use enough for Linux. We'll have that, and -a for do all subdomain enumeration, and we'll give the IP, which is this one. So it's in brute forcing is required, hash tracking is required. We didn't do any brute forcing yet, so let's wait. So it will do the part, and we can do the same thing manually with XML client. Okay, L and the IP. Not like this, or maybe the another slash, like this one. The password is password of system, so we have some of the shares available, right? So we have anonymous shares. This is the default one, so there is no point in checking that one, but we'll obviously see this one. So what we can do is now just paste it, and we don't want to list it, we also want to connect, and we'll do this. Yeah, we are in. So we got a stuff.txt, so I think we can get it, stuff.txt, and the file has been done with 0.3 kbps, so we can just fix it. Now if I get stuff, so announcement to stuff, so we know the name, it's a K and Jen. Please do not upload non-oak related item to your shares. I know it's all in fun, but there is how mistakes happen. So we know now the name J and K, right? So come here, the name are, say the names are J and this K, right? Jen, not J, it's Jen. And so we know the name, and let's see here the for Linux script. So it couldn't connect here, right? But it could, it was able to connect here. So we already did that with manually. Nothing here found much. Yep, so we can close the script now. And so WhatsApp is deployment is done. Developer is found. Use brute forcing to find the username and password. Okay. So we don't see that, like it has to be done manually. So we know that now we have to do brute forcing, but we don't know where. So if we see the ports open, so it's only SSH is open, so we can try forcing in SSH, and nothing on this port 80. So the only possible option to do brute force was on SSH, unless and until we like don't found anything like login page or something on here, which doesn't seem like we'll find. So we use Hydra with brute force, and we already know that the username is going to be Jan, right? So what we are able to do is just let's go to the camp folder and make basic pen test. So basic pen test, and here we'll make, let's see usernames. One is Jen and one is K, right? Save it, and we can like Hydra like this, the same word, and After that, we can like give the IP address sudo hydra type of mistake. So save it like that. So what happened is we need to give the IP first, and it will try both the username against this raw queue, and it will try to find it. So we'll do the same thing here, but in case of hydra trying to both the username, what we're going to do is we'll only going to try the username with chain to save time. So it will be done here, but side by side I'm waiting here to crack. Or to make it more faster, let's leave it like that. So it will try to brute force the SSH with the username Jen against this word list, and on this one it is going to use two usernames that we had saved on the usernames.txt against this word list on this IP. So brute force take times, and that's why I don't like the machine that has a brute force. So then we cracked it, and the password is automatic just to save time because it's a one function. So let's try to log in SSH and chain at the rate IP, the IP, and the I think the mesh is broken. Let's attach. Let me reconnect. Yeah, it's connected now. So I think it's the IP. Okay, so we are in logged in. So after cracking from SSH, we are in the shell, the SSH, and if I do pwd, so we are in the Indian folder. Don't have anything here. We'll see Indian files if it has, and this hidden file is there saying permission denied because a root user can has put this. So now I have to escalate it. Okay, let's copy the password again. So saying that he cannot use it. Basically, I think now to do some movement. So we have two users, J and K. The question is, can I get into the K system? And we have a password.bat file, right? And some bash history. So let's see some bash history first. Permission denied. Okay. So can I permission denied? Can I go to SSH and get ID RSA? Yeah, there you go. We have the ID RSA of K user. So we can make a movement here. Like let's go and make any ID RSA. That's it. 6 more 600 for the RSA key. We can just use ID RSA K and the IP. Hopefully it doesn't require extra authentication like on RS itself. I think the machine is broken again. Please. No, it's good. Machine is good. Oh, either there is a two way I can do it. Either I can just copy the IDRS and connect it, or I can put my private key inside this authorized key, and I can connect it with my system. So that's the another way. But I think we cannot override that because of the permission register. Yeah, the machine is broken. I think I cannot ping it. Try to ping it. Yeah, machine is so breaking. I think that is because of the brute forcing attack that's happening here. The two brute forcing attacks simultaneously. We can just stop this. Here one, and there's only one with now it's working. So if I do ls, now it's working here also. And with this, so yeah, it's requiring a password. So let's crack this. Again, I need to like crack, but it doesn't interact with the machine, so that's not effect on the bandwidth. So what we'll do is access to zone if we have, yeah, then IDRS. It's IDRS.zone, so the zone file. We'll just use zone IDRS.zone, and we don't like provide any word list, just let it be. So again, it takes some time, I guess, to crack this file. So all about brute forcing and waiting. So just to give the POC, what I can do is stop this attack, right? And make a word list here, word list txt, and let's say let's give some name. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, moon, Earth, Venus, Saturn, and the finally our password, this one, Mary as well. So what we'll do is on this one, so we'll just change password to this one. Right? So like it will start on 10 seconds because it has a backup file. So we are in cracking process. It's cracking. Did it find something like system about it? Why is system is about it? Zero password has cracked, one left. So something must have happened here. Let's try it again. Or maybe I need to give, if it like doesn't work this time. So what we'll do is we'll give a password, like it's using this word list currently, right? See, so see the password is not available there, like the word list, the actual password might not be in this particular word list, and you're not able to crack it. So in that case, we have to give the another word list. So maybe we can provide rocu.txt in that case for this to come next, and if it's still getting a timeout again. So timeout issue I'm facing from last two machines. Yeah, ping issues. I think I need to regenerate the OpenVPN file connected to do it again, and the progress with this one. So can you stack this time? To skip 10 seconds. That's okay. Is this gonna crack or not? Like my GPU is full, by the way, and the cracking also depends on how much GPU you have, right? So I'm streaming and I'm giving some part of my main GPU to the VM. That's why some GPU power is being consumed. So that's why some time. Okay, let's wait and only wait for these to crack. Okay, not this one, bro. I don't want to run this one. I wanted to run this one. So like I said, I reset I. So see, like that's how we found a like username and a password. Here I just changed the word list just to save time that this particular password is there already. So I use that word list and we got a password. Good. And I'm going to do the same thing in here. Like it's taking a whole lot of time and a whole lot of my GPU. So I'll just for the POC I will crack it, but uh, so that is already run. If you have found another user, what you yeah, there is nothing. So what is the password? Like is there no need to escalate it? Like is the machine is already done or something? Final password. Oh, I see. I just need to crack this back file and log in as a that user K and read this file. This one. The machine is cracked. The machine is break. Uh, how many times I have to fix it? Yeah, no, it's opening again. And but it is unfortunate to read this at last to complete it. So there is a lot of you can do it. The one is by cracking this side, and second one is to set it to the root, and if I'm root I can read it anywhere. So either I can run a 0 day. I think this is very important because if you see the date all are 2018. So after 2018 there are a lot of local privilege application available. Like I can use spawn kit, lot of stuffs are there, but that is not the way. That is the one way you can get it right. The another way is to crack it. I think this is the way it has to be done, and somehow like it's not able to crack it. What we can do is like let's see if we have permission to like push a file on an authorized key. So we already have. I don't have to type long password anymore. So what you can do it like just go to your system and SSH to chain, yes, chain over just a second. I just need to search, or I can just use my own blog. Go to blog. Video somewhere here. I made a backdoor right this on this blog. Yeah, I made it in 2022. Yeah, SSH keygen. So you can do that way also. The same thing. So what we're going to do is use this one. Let's see if there's SSH keygen, and it will just generate no password, no password. Yeah. So we have generated on this one. Just cd $$.sh, and this is the one, and this is the public. So after that, we need to like upload this one to the authorized, if I'm not wrong. And so id rsa.pub. So it's saying to like give 600 permission to id rsa on public key, but there is no point. I think we need to say, like I need to say on that blog, I need to give this for the change, and I can just do public key, just copy this one and come back here, and I can just, and the machine is broke again. Wow. And he's not able to crack it still. So you can do like echo and just let's clear this clear the mesh. So put the string. Okay, fine. And just append it. I don't want to override it. I just want to append authorized permission. I expect it. So that particular user that have rights to like write permission on the K user folder. So he is not like still able to crack it. So what we're going to do is use a word list now against that zone file. And use the word list, this one, change the name to picture. So look at my GPU, it's like 100% uses. Oh my god. Crash recovery locked. So something has got like crash or something. So what I'm going to do is just stop this, right, and use against a rock queue. Yeah, there you go. It found it like instantly. The queue worked actually. So here we have the password of this one, IDRSA. Previously we were having a IDRSA, right, on here itself. So we can do like K user, and since we have a password, please network, come on. And since we have a password, yeah, you can just paste the password and log in. There you go, and you can just do it, and that's how the machine ends. And this is done. So I just terminate this. Basic pen testing was like basic, but some here and there stuff. So we're going to use like do this one. What is there? Like, let's start. Starting. So they like need to expand web server, find 3 integrants to. Okay, fine. Pretty much boot to root machine. So we'll wait. Was my stream like? What? Yeah. I can just paste the password and log. So I will just for the POC I will crack it, but uh, so that is already run. If you have found another user, what you there is nothing. What we can do is like let's see if we have permission to like okay some voice cracking is there obviously. So we have now the IP. So let's close this. We done video as of now, and let's use nmap xp privileged step. I think I was supposed to like ping first. No packet loss. This one done. Let's move to the next machine. Okay. The machine is this. Okay. After that, we'll just do like map shift. So we have only SSH and port 80 open, and Arik is super cool. And we have Apache version. Okay, my system is crashed. Okay, is my stream okay? Is my stream okay? I have permission now. I think I was supposed to like this one is you have only SSH and port 80 open, and Arik is super cool. And we have Apache version. It was crashed on there also. Okay. At least the stream was there, so we'll just copy the entire thing and paste it over here. So we have only SSH and port 80, so pretty straightforward as of now. So just visit here and it's taking time. So close all of these, set these, and so try to paste it in here. It's working on inside machine, but somehow I think I need to reconnect on the outside machine. Okay. Let's go ahead and for Firefox. Yeah, there you go. So Morty could be a username. So just take it. Morty well has here. Could be a username, that's what I'm taking. And till then I'll just understand Ferox lister. Ferox lister, yeah. And on this we can just home and change the URL. Right, we can just see the source code. Username we got it, but maybe it could be a rabbit hole, right? So have ashet. So this is the username. and we have a hash head. CSS, JavaScript, and these are the GIF files. So it's in burp. So do we have something else? So the same thing, either we can like brute force and SSH, right? With the username, like two username we have, and or maybe something is there. I don't like it. Like I told you, I really don't like the brute force kind of machine. Anyway, so stop this in raft and let's clear this first. I don't want to see the mesh. And we just use Hydra, not on here obviously. Hydra, and again we have a true username. Put it in this path. So let's make a new file. Now one is the metric and second one is this one. And then Hydra against this with the IP we have this one. Okay. So it will take sweet time. For this to complete. So it's saying to use Bob, but I don't like where do I supposed to even use a Bob on this one? No, it's not working. VPN is so unstable that half of the time this reachability issue is taking my time. We know the assets and all this stuff. Hmm. This is obviously a rabbit hole. But why it didn't like found in this one? Because I use, I think I need to use the common one, common txt. And not the directory. I need like this index, which is the same rows we already found. And now it's stopped. That means there is now again a reachability issue, I believe. So couldn't found any like much of the interesting as of now. That's again it's breaking. Which is better or such thing. The half of the time the network issue is there. We know that shit. Please show me something interesting. Extract link. I need to turn this off. Like how can I turn off it? Extract link. Extract. Sorry, it's a window. Yeah, do not extract link. You have to use this one. Just go here. Do this. And rates are good. Operation timeouts. Ping issues again. Yeah, this is good. Login.php. But why it didn't found on that one? Strange. So we have login.php. Okay. So we can just use this SQL to let's try SQL injection and that is it. So I think we can again brute force here, right? But the strange thing is why it was not able to find. Extension, because it has extension. And what about this? Can I turn on extension here? So Ferox state. So if I do extension, oh yeah. So collect extension, we don't need that. So from just to along with this, I can give like ESP. Okay, like this ESP, HTML. Okay, well now we have extension. Couldn't connect, escaping. Wait, why are escaping? So now we're getting some of the things, the extra things. Felix Workstar is actually good, and now it's getting time out in this. My VPN is really sucked here. Like, seriously, every time I do some of the crawling or packet send packet with the server, the VPN breaks. So we have login, okay, good, and we have index denied portal. Portal is basically redirecting to login, so it's the same thing. And denied is also redirecting to login. So as of now, we only have one thing, login. So we add the username, is this, and the password. Let's give it password. And let's try to log in. Invalid username and password. Correct. So now it's finally time to use a box sheet, I guess. Right. Go. We'll use a Firefox. Spam folder I just found. I think it break again. There you go. Start Bob. Why the repeater is like this? So we'll just give a username that we found, this one, and let's like use any of the password. Let's try to intercept this. Oh, my bad. So we have username and password and login. We'll send it to the intruder and try to brute force and password. And let's see if we able to crack it. So we'll just edit like this and go to the payload. Load it. Let's load it. Not a web. Let's go to discovery. password, and in password we'll need to use some of the popular password. Is there is not some of the popular password. Wi-Fi software common credentials, use this. Common password, win. What is win? Top password shortlist. Let's use this. 25, that's too low, so you load one more. Top 100, let's use this. So we have 125. Let's try to attack this, and if it doesn't work, we'll change it. Something is wrong, bro. I think, yeah. This is driving me crazy. How many times I have to do it? Like reconnect and reconnect. Let's close this. Discard and launch an attack plane. Now it's working. So we'll see for the content length, and not even a single one worked. What is the negative response we are getting? Invalid username and password. You can just like type here invalid, negative search, and apply. So none of these are found. So we can do this thing with Hydra also. Right? And let's clear this. Load. Last time we used ORS, and this time we'll use 10,000. I know this is too much, but let's wait for 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes will be sufficient. I don't think this is an easy machine, and it should be supposed to make this hard. Or maybe the password will be this. We didn't try this, but it was so random. Okay, just go here. Please don't break. Please don't break. Yeah. Let's refresh. Yeah. We'll use this password and see. Oh God. I knew it, like it won't be that much hard machine, like I was doing so complex, and the stuff was there, control panel, so it's like a shell, web shell, I believe. ls Sorry, ls, yeah, it's a web shell. So we are already into the system, so I can take a revert shell if I want, but I don't think that's really required for this. Just a second, someone is on my door. Yeah, I'm back. I'm back. Sorry, so sorry. What happened to my screen? Okay, this is screen. Okay. Yeah, we got the website right. Either I can like take a reverse shell, or what we can do is just home. Oh God, it did break again. Hmm. Okay. So we have two users, Ubuntu and Rick. So if I do home with Rick like this, second ingredient, and if I do ssh.id RSA and it's to cat command disable to make it hard. So yeah, see, some of the commands are obviously disabled. That's why it was saying to use box read. You just come up here, turn it off and on, ls here in my mind, start ls. So we got this. We'll send it to repeater, and you can do like auto scroll and search for free. And we just need to encode it to URL. This is to okay. Now let's send. So what is this? Okay. So we can do like here cat to data search.id RFC deny.php. Some of the things we cannot do. So some limitations are obviously some like there. So the best way maybe in this scenario is to get a reversal only. Okay then, take it that way. We'll just host this is the IP. You just go and send it. We have received the response. We'll just go to webshells.com, which is by the ODay, and here we might find a lot of like ways. So let's see if we have Python, like with Python, and just 8 plus for this space, and it didn't respond. Maybe we can use bash. So it's a bin bash, which PHP or like which Perl. Yeah, we have a Perl. We can use the Perl exploit. Oh, Python was like easy, a hell lot of easy. If we have Perl here, yeah, Perl. So we can use this one and just copy the entire code, just paste it over here. See, Control U. Yeah, after here I need to paste it. Paste and just after this one, just copy the entire thing and press Control U. Set, like just hit send, and let's wait for here to respond. Do we have an netcut here? We have here netcut also. So I'll just do like IP config. IP is this one 78. So both are listening. So let's close one. Let's try to send it over here and let's try to reconnect once. Right, and send. It's saying waiting. So it has some of the restrictions. So I think something is wrong with the reversal because 2 VPN I'm using, and also the VPN is breaking so much. The another way I think we can do is I had downloaded this one and we have this. We just download the cell.php. So virus detected. So we'll just run it for now. and it's again saying virus detected, but it is there. Cell.php, right? Save it. It was already there, so we just rename it. Cut. Let's move to something like test. Let's paste it. And this is the code. Just open terminal here. Post IP. So this is my IP. I can just do wget, or from here use wget and script IP and shell.php if the name is correct. Let's rename this cell.php, right? And yeah, obviously I have to like plus here. Obviously I need to reconnect. I'm tired of doing the refresh. Oh God. It is working here, so we'll work on here. So anyway, we'll do one thing. We'll just close this and we'll work from VM. So we have the credentials, right? So this is the username. So here, and the password, it is copy paste and just go to robots. This is the password. Just log in, and on here we'll do netcat, and we have a reference open right here with the same. Just copy it, like we can do it in URL importing. Copy, paste, execute. So you got a blank page. So let's try without any encoding. and we got a cell. That was happening because there was some contradiction between two VPN. I was connected with the same config file on two machines. So, and now I wanted to upgrade this cell. I think we can do it with Python 3 TryHackMe import pty.spawn and let's bring bash. Yeah, I remember. No, I think Python is not there. Or I forgot the command. It's never mind. We'll check. So we'll go and like pty. Yeah, it's not. I think what I did wrong. Okay. So I didn't use taxi to like command for the command. CLI. So we are finally into the cell now. So we can like read the ingredient name is the first ingredient. I think this is the first flag we got now, right? And the second ingredient. Okay. So we have a clue right here. Clue. Look around the file system for the other ingredients. So it has to be a file, so we can do like file name equals to start.txt, and for the log we'll do like this. It won't like work like this. One hyphen name. This is the way, right? .txt. Okay, I think that file .txt. Okay, let's use char for a reason. Find command and Linux to find all the start.txt file. So an entire part. There you go. So you can do like is greater than dev for the log, and these are all the txt files. Okay, let's do. Okay, we have one more interesting thing. One is this. And what will be the next one? Testing. We have clue, super ingredient. We got one. We got another one. So this is the next one, right? So we got this one and rig portion. Yeah, I think we need to escalate for the browser if you want to get Next, you can do like cd/home, and we can go for the rig, and we have a second ingredient here. Like we can do like second ingredient like this. Oh, oh my God. This is like this happens when you get an initial reverse shell, right? So I need to try to refresh it. The ported PSP page is somehow not responding. I can like finish it instantly by like using a C like PwnCat exploit, but that is the easy way, right? Why to do that? Although there is not a rule that you cannot use that, but if I use that, there is like nothing to learn it, right? I can just get a sudo instantly after like uploading the PwnCat binary file and just run the binary file and get a root access. That's the easy way around. Ported PSP is somehow not responding. Maybe I broke it or something. Let's try to connect from the outside. And let's see. If I execute here, I should be getting here the US shell. Oh, I got in the system here. So now we're doing from a window machine now. So yeah, I'll get the cell first, export from equals to xcom. So I can do like clear stuff. And now from here we can go to /rig. I have the file like only a root user can like run, right? So come back, it should be Ubuntu and see hidden files. So we have SSH, we have a bash history. So this one so what I was doing was, yeah, you can see the history, bash history. So it's saying permission denied because only Ubuntu user can like read that file. So we can do a standard escalation now. Like we can run a limpage, which is standard limpage.ss file. and upload it here. Let's try to refresh this. Now it is found.
Shit, I'm an early bird. It's 10 o'clock before I say a word. Baby, I can never tell. How do you sleep so well? You keep telling me to live right, to go to bed before the daylight. But then you wake up for the sunrise. You know you don't gotta pretend. Baby, now and then, don't you just wanna wake up? Dark as a lake, smelling like a bonfire, lost in a haze. If you're drunk on life, babe, I think it's great. But while in this world, I think I'll take my whiskey. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. Take my whiskey. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I ain't true in the grounds where I go. I work late where I'm free from the phone. And the job gets done, but you worry some. I know, but who wants to live forever, babe? You treat your mouth as if it's heaven's gate. The rest of you like you're the TSA. wish I could go along. Babe, don't get me wrong, you know you're bright as the morning, you're soft as the rain, pretty as a vine, sweet as a grape. If you can sit in a barrel, baby, I'll wait until that day. I'd rather take my whiskey and leave like coffee at 3. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I take my whiskey like coffee. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me.
Yo. So what I just did is I regenerated the open VPN because there was some issues. Yeah, there was some issues with the VPN, so I just restarted the machine also to get a new IP. Now the things shouldn't be there, like broken things. So it's working smooth as of now. Like no any issues with that. And we got a reversal quickly. So we'll upload a limpies here. We cannot override, so let's go to the temp folder and do the same thing. So now we can just click the execution policy to the limpies and we can just run the limpies. Right? And I want to see the log, so I'll just say log.ts. Basically, limpies is basically an encryption script for the Linux for local privilege escalation. It checks all the root permissions, misconfigurations, the SUID binaries. We even found the internal VM that they're hosting and the code. Okay, let's ignore this. Is this already in a sudo permission? How is like he able to fetch all of these much details? I think he is already in a sudo file. Let's verify that with sudo like l. Oh god, so no need to like exploit. We can sudo. We can sudo. Okay. Okay, that's why it was an easy machine. Like I was thinking so complex. It was already in a sudo machine. So I can just go and like get any flag I want, right? Similar, I can go to the home and rig. I can like even get this file. There you go. The mission like it is done. Done. So the machine was easy. I was just making things complicated by myself. So how many hours? How many hours? Okay, I think we can do one more machine. 1, 2 is done. Let's do the 3. We'll take 5 minutes of break and we'll continue this.
the lights on in the afternoon, and the nights are drawn out long, and you're kissing to cut through the gloom, the cough drop colored tongue. You were sitting in the corner with the coats all piled high, and I thought you might be mine. In a small world on an exceptionally rainy Tuesday night, in the right place and time.
Okay, guys, I guess I will continue on the next stream. So got too much tired, and we'll continue in the next. See you, bye.